Big 2 legend coming through. Big 2 legend coming through. Challenges and pranks coming too. Challenges and pranks coming too. Ring the bell so we know everyone subscribe. Ring the bell so we know everyone subscribe. Ring the bell so we know everyone subscribe.
What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. I don't know why I say YouTube. I should be saying what's up, legends. Welcome back to the channel. Right now I'm on the freeway. I shouldn't be vlogging, but I'm a driver. Few videos I'm gonna be doing a driving video. I can't tell you what kind video it's gonna be because you guys might take my content. But today I'm gonna start off this vlog. This might be a weekly vlog, or it might just be a day vlog. Depends how long this vlog gonna be. So today I'm gonna be going hiking, or I might be going to see like a thunderstorm. We're gonna be chasing storms. I'm gonna be going with Edwin. He invited me to go, so we don't know which one we're gonna be doing. Depends on the storm. Depends on the weather. I might be talking too fast right now. It's because I'm kind of focused on driving right now, because these people don't know how to drive, and I'm driving pretty crazy. So yeah, you guys, that's what I'm doing right now. I'll get back to you guys in a few seconds. Alright, you guys, we on our way to Vegas right now to look at some storm.
That's right, man. We're heading to Vegas.
This is my first storm chasing, you guys.
We're doing something absolutely insane.
Yep.
We're heading out of state to chase storms. It's either all or nothing, because there's no storms for this week. Probably until like at least Labor Day weekend. Maybe a little earlier if lucky, but...
Are we going?
Huh?
Are we going if it's any?
Oh, hell yeah. Hell yeah. That's gonna be September practically. Like this is it for August. This is it for August. Like it's either all or nothing at this point. Because there was nothing yesterday, there was nothing on Friday, there was nothing on Thursday, so today is either all or nothing. So we either get the home run or we're out. That's it. So let's get it today, man.
Let's get it. I see y'all in a bit. Alright, how far you think the clouds are?
That is approximately 75 miles away from where we are right now. That thing looks huge. Very photogenic too.
Very.
And also
it looked good in the camera.
Oh damn, that's dope. And then we also have another string of clouds forming on the right side, so that's gonna be something to keep an eye on. And then this one is all the way side. This cloud right here became an area to watch. So we'll see what happens with that. And then behind this cloud right here, the storm that is over there, we have another batch of storms on the other side. Those are the ones that we're trying to go through.
Y'all hear that? What's up, you guys? I came to the Subway. We made a stop to get gas, and it's a Subway right here, so I'm gonna get a sandwich. Yeah, this is my first time going storm chasing, you guys, and I'm pretty excited to do this. I've been wanting to do this forever. Now, this is the time to actually catch the experience, and I'm gonna bring you guys along. So.
Oh yeah, car accident just around the curve, yeah. This might be a good time to
First traffic we made, you guys.
This is actually a really good time to see if these storms are gonna manifest over there. So I'm checking right now. Pretty sure this guy was speeding like crazy. The good news is not that hot anymore.
Freaking happy it's not hot. It is 90 still. We're on the middle of the freeway, you guys. Look at this. Where you enter the freeway. Ah shit, the sun coming back out. Y'all see the sun? It's coming back out.
Get back.
Let's go.
Use the right lane to take exit 1 towards Grand.
Fine, man. We're not in Cali no more, man.
Oh.
Yo, start this video over, dude. We're not in Cali no more. We're in Nevada now, officially. We're in Nevada. We're not in Cali no more, man. Like we done with Cali right now. We're in Nevada right now.
Yo, we in the middle of nowhere right now. I don't know where we at. We ain't supposed to be right here. He is so dedicated with this. I like that.
Got it.
See? Y'all, look at this shit. We in the middle of nowhere. Literally, middle of nowhere. Like, whoa. I never thought I would be doing this. I never thought I would be doing this, you guys. I don't think we're gonna see any kind of rain or a thunderstorm, you guys. So this video gonna cut a little bit short, but I will be doing a Q&A for you guys. So, or this gonna be a weekly vlog. So I hope y'all don't hear the music in the background. J. Cole is playing right now, but don't worry about the music. I hope I don't get copyright. If I do, at least I'm a small YouTuber right now, and I'm not getting paid for this right now, you guys. So hey, but again, you guys, look at the view. Look at this. This is crazy. I love this. Edwin is all the way over there. Look at that. Look how far he is. Dope ass view, yo.
You got a car behind you soon, buddy.
Dope ass view.
My boy Victor.
What it do?
Vic 2 fit. Vic 2 legend.
Vic 2 legend.
Vic 2 legend. Damn, I forgot I'm gonna fuck that shit over. So the storm that I've been trying to chase fizzled out. It was really big earlier today, but just like that, it fizzled out pretty fast. 2 cells try to form out here, but they also fizzled out pretty quick as well. So we out here in the Mojave National Preserve, not too far from Prime, Nevada, which is 40 miles away from Cali right now.
Whoa.
Man, dude, I'm gonna upload that video though.
I think I'm gonna upload this vlog this week, yo. I think they're getting into an accident. Whoa. Hold up. Welcome back, you guys. It's been almost 2 weeks. Telling you guys I might do a daily vlog, or it will be a week vlog, but this video was long enough to actually make it as a 1-day vlog, which it was the storm chasing. I hope y'all enjoyed the video. I will be doing a Q&A, but that will be in another video. I really don't know what I'm doing with this channel, you guys. I'm trying to grow on this channel as well, and plus trying to grow on my other channel, which is Bit2Legend. This is LegendaryZE. So y'all subscribe to both of my YouTube channels, plus go to subscribe to my other channel, which is V&L Era. Yeah, I don't want to give you guys no more files or anything. I'm trying my best to work quiet. But when I do tell you guys what I'm gonna be doing, I will do it, but I don't know when I'm gonna be posting it. I think I was learning. This was the last clip, and then I did more videos after I came home, and then the next day I went running, and yeah, so I did more videos, but it really didn't make no sense to post it on here. It would just been a waste of time to edit it and all that. The video was long enough, it made it to 10 minutes. So that's pretty good for my first vlog on this channel. I hope y'all enjoy it. Smash the like button, subscribe to me, and subscribe to my other channel. I will be making some other bangers. I'll see y'all in the next video. Deuces.